Dark truth about YG Entertainment no one talks about. If you think becoming a K-pop idol under YG Entertainment is all about fame, luxury, money and fans screaming your name, then you are only seeing the final result and not the full journey, because behind every successful idol there is a story full of pressure, sacrifice, discipline and moments that most people never talk about. The perfect world that people see. When people watch groups like Blackpink, they see perfection, confidence and strong stage presence, they see beautiful performances, perfect choreography and global success, and naturally this creates a powerful dream in the minds of many people who want to become idols, because everything looks exciting and glamorous. But what people don't realize is that this perfect image is built after years of hard training, mistakes, corrections and emotional struggles that are not shown to the public. The hidden side of the industry. The industry often shows you success but hides the struggle because people are more attracted to success stories than difficult journeys. But the hidden side includes long training hours, strict evaluations, constant comparison and pressure to improve quickly. And this creates a reality that is very different from what most beginners expect when they first decide to become a trainee. Leaving your old life behind. Becoming a trainee means leaving your normal life, your comfort, your routine, and sometimes even your family. Many trainees move to a different place or even a different country at a young age, and adjusting to this new life can feel lonely and overwhelming because you are surrounded by new people, new rules, and high expectations. And slowly you start realizing that this journey requires you to sacrifice a lot of things that normal people enjoy every day. What Rose experienced. Rose once shared that her training period felt like survival, which clearly shows how intense and demanding the environment can be. Because training is not just about learning skills, it is about pushing your limits, staying mentally strong and continuing even when you feel tired, frustrated or overwhelmed. And many trainees go through similar experiences where they have to deal with pressure, self-doubt and emotional challenges while still trying to improve every single day. A day that never feels easy. A trainee's daily life is not easy or relaxed because it involves long hours of practice, repetition and correction, starting from early morning sessions and continuing until late night, practicing dance, vocals and performance again and again until everything becomes perfect. And even after all this effort there is always something to improve, which means the cycle never really stops. And over time this routine can become physically exhausting and mentally draining. The pressure of being judged. One of the most stressful parts of being a trainee is constant evaluation, because you are always being judged on your performance, your improvement and your attitude. And in companies like YG Entertainment, these evaluations can decide your future, which creates a feeling that you must always be at your best even on days when you don't feel your best, and this pressure can slowly build up and affect your confidence. Competition that never stops. You are surrounded by other trainees who are just as talented and just as determined, and everyone wants the same goal, which is to debut. So even though you may build friendships, there is always competition in the background, and this creates a situation where you constantly feel the need to improve faster and perform better to stand out. The internal struggle. Over time, the biggest challenge becomes your own mind, because you start questioning your progress, your abilities and your future. You start thinking whether you are improving fast enough or whether you are good enough compared to others, and these thoughts can create stress and self-doubt that makes the journey even harder. Moments when you feel lost. There are moments when trainees feel lost, confused and unsure about their future because they are putting in so much effort but still don't know what will happen next. And this uncertainty can feel very heavy because you are investing your time, energy and emotions without a clear result. Emotional breakdowns. Many trainees experience emotional moments where they feel overwhelmed, tired or frustrated. Sometimes they may cry because of pressure or because they feel like they are not improving fast enough, and these moments are a normal part of such an intense journey, but they are rarely shown to the public. Repeating the same process. Training life involves repeating the same process every day, practicing, correcting, improving and repeating again. And while this repetition is necessary for growth, it can also feel mentally tiring because progress feels slow and requires patience. The need for perfection. In K-pop training there is a strong focus on perfection because even small mistakes are noticed and corrected, movements need to be clean, timing needs to be accurate and expressions need to match the performance perfectly, and this constant push for perfection can create pressure. Years of waiting. Many trainees spend years training without knowing when they will debut or if they will debut at all, and this waiting period can be very stressful because there is no guarantee of success, which makes the journey even more uncertain. Changing yourself. During training, some trainees feel like they need to change themselves to fit expectations, whether it is their style, personality, or performance, and balancing your real self with expectations can sometimes feel confusing. Why mental strength is key. At this level, mental strength becomes one of the most important factors because skills can be improved, but without a strong mindset it becomes very difficult to continue. Those who can handle pressure and stay focused have a better chance. Why people still chase this dream. Even after knowing how difficult this journey is, people still choose it because the dream of becoming an idol is very powerful, and debuting under a company like YG Entertainment can completely change your life and open global opportunities. The truth you must accept. If you want to follow this path, you must accept that it will not be easy and it will require discipline, patience, and strong mindset. Understanding this reality early helps you prepare better. What you should do. Instead of only dreaming, you should start preparing yourself by improving your skills, building discipline, and strengthening your mindset, because preparation gives you a strong advantage. Becoming a K-pop idol is not just about talent or luck, it is about surviving a system that tests you every single day, and those who understand this truth early and prepare for it have a better chance of success. Now ask yourself honestly, are you ready for this level of commitment, pressure, and discipline? If yes, then start preparing from today and take your dream seriously. And if you want real honest advice, then subscribe, because here we talk about truth, not just the dream.